right, here it is.
Let's see news.
Looks like a project. The engine needs a complete rebuild, and these body panels, they're not salvageable.
What about finding replacements? I've seen parts for this model.
Okay, engage the hydraulics. Hooks engaging lift. Watch the alignment. Coming down slowly. Steady. Securing now.
All right, let's start with these cables.
Careful with the paint.
I've got it. Ready the winch.
Cable's tight. Looks good here too.
Ready to lift?
Slow and steady. Keep it steady. Going down slow. Check the bumpers. Almost there. Little lower.
The chassis integrity is compromised here.
We'll need to reinforce the rear suspension mounts.
All right, let's secure the final chains. The chassis looks stable, but this rust near the wheel well is deep.
The panel gaps on the hood are uneven, especially on the passenger.
The damage here is extensive.
It's worse than we thought, especially the hood.
We'll need a different approach for the cowl.
Almost there.
Just need to get this spot.
Looks much better already. Take it slow. Don't want to break anything. Got it.
Looks original. Surface rust and cloth wiring. Careful, it's really stuck.
Watch out for the rust.
There, got it. Take a look at that wiring.
Unbelievable, all original. It's in better shape than I thought.
All right, these bolts are really stuck.
Careful with the leather, don't tear it further.
Got it. Ready to lift?
Yep. Easy does it.
The wood is completely dry.
Look at this wiring. It's a disaster back here.
All right, let's see what's under here. Years of dirt.
Look at the state of this wiring. Whoa.
It's barely holding together. Years of oil and oxidation.
Pure original aged condition. Look at the state of this.
It's worse than we thought.
We'll have to replace all of this tubing.
Keep it steady.
Look at the rust on those joints.
Dang.
It's worse than we thought. The entire frame is compromised.
The extent of the rust is even worse than we thought.
This is going to be a long job.
This is worse than we thought. It needs a full rebuild.
Bye.